Say hello to Nala. Nala. A little baby. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new here. Today's video, if you can tell by the title, I'm going to be organising my cleaning products and my cleaning cupboard because it is a bit of a mess and it's doing my head in. So we're going to do that today. So if you want to watch this, please carry on. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button if you want to see more of these. And yeah, let's get into the video.
Nala is actually sat right in front of the cleaning cupboard. So my cleaning cupboard is this one, it's under the sink. I'm gonna open the door, trying to open it, well. And as you can see, it is a mess. So I'm gonna tidy it with the baskets that I bought from B&M. So I've just emptied this cupboard and it's a bit dirty, so I'm gonna clean it with multi-purpose cleaner. And I'm gonna wipe it with a J-cloth. Okay, so this is the current situation. This is all the cleaning products that were in the cupboard. These ones are new additions to my cleaning collection. So I'm going to go ahead and organise this and put it in this basket. So this is the basket from B&M. It was £5. So I think the majority of stuff will be able to fit in here. So I'll see how I'll go with this one, because I may go and get another one at some point. But for now, we've got one. So we're going to make the most of this one. So all of this is going to be going in here. So this is what the finished cupboard looks like. I didn't manage to get all the products into that basket, but I did get quite a lot of them in. As you can see, I've got all the sprays along here with carpet cleaner, bin buddy, cloths that I use all the time, machine cleaner, and bits and bobs. Then I have the dustbin bags, a lint roller, some wet wipes, elbow grease oven cleaning kit because I need to clean the oven, dishwasher tablets, and some random tea light candles that I use quite a lot. So this is what the finishing cupboard looks like. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching me organise my cleaning cupboard. It's quite a quick video, but it had to be done, and I thought, why not show you guys how I organise my cleaning cupboard. If you want to see more videos like this, please leave some suggestions down below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!